Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be importing this HTML table which is present on this website in our Python application using a library called as Pandas. So first of all, install this library by executing a very simple command which is pip install pandas. I have already installed this library. Now we just need to import this library as import pandas as first of all import this, and now we just need to create a t variable, and we will use a very simple function which will be read HTML. So this is the method in order to read the HTML table. So first argument it takes is the HTML table URL. So this is the URL of the website. You can just copy replace with any kind of website which contain the table. And the second option is the header option, which is equal to 0. That's it. And now we can just print out our table. And now if I run the application, you will see that it will be displaying our table. So this is the table, guys. You can see that it is printed out the whole table which was present inside the website. You can actually match it. You can see that the same table is there here. So in this simple way you can just print out any kind of table which is there in the website using your Python application using Pandas. Thank you very much, guys. Please show the support, guys. If you like this video, then please hit the like button like this, and also share this video by hitting this share button, and please hit this red subscribe button and turn all notifications by selecting all, so you will get all the notifications of my channel. It is totally free.